Hey guys, welcome back. It is 8:19. Today I'm going to show you my custom play button. Look, it says YouTuber 46 right there, and it says congrats for passing 100 subscribers. Guys, I can't read backwards, so I remembered what I wrote. Okay, I made this on my own. Yeah, it's my first play button. Oh my god. It's my first ever play button. Well, I made this out of Legos. This took me 2 hours making. So, leave a thumbs up if you want to see me make another 5 million hour play button. See you guys next time. Peace.